Hi, I'm Josh and let's make keema rice. Easy to prepare as the keema mix and basmati rice can be made in advance and refrigerated. Add the oil to a pan on medium, add the onions and fry for 30 seconds. Add in the keema, stir to break down and fry for 5 minutes to release the oils and spices. Turn the heat down a little, add in the garlic paste, spice mix, salt, sugar and methi. Mix through well and allow to fry for a minute, stirring frequently. For this dish you can use raw or pre-cooked keema. I prefer raw as the oil released during frying adds loads more flavours to the dish. Add in the cold pre-cooked rice, stir through and allow to fry for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring gently but frequently. Finally, sprinkle over some fresh chopped coriander, stir through, frying for a further 30 seconds then serve. Please take a second to like the video and leave a comment, it really helps. The recipe for this, the lamb keema and my basmati rice can be found on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.